Introduction to Excel to Tally. Hello friends, thank you for taking time to watch this video. This tutorial is the first part of the video series of how to create your own Excel to Tally utility. So, I would request you to subscribe this channel and click on bell button for regular updates on new video uploads. Please watch this video till end. In this series, we will reveal the secret of how to import Excel data to Tally. It will include how to write XML, import XML manually and automatically, creating masters automatically from Excel and much more. Step 1. Understanding the data. In order to make Excel to Tally utility, you will need to know and understand what kind of data you want to import to Tally. Is it a masters or transaction? Is it a bank statement or sales register or purchase register? Is inventory involved? In which format raw data in Excel is available? Excel, CSV, TXT, etc. How can you bring data into Excel with consistency and accuracy? In this tutorial we will take example of a bank statement. Once we download bank statement and bring it to Excel, we need to make sure that dates are entered in correct format. Sometimes it happens date is changed to month and month to date. In order to make sure date is entered in correct format, we will change the date format to DD/MMM/EIIE format. Now, we will change formatting of numbers. Next step will be adding Tally data fields. In column G, write bank account without quotes. In column H, write voucher type without quotes. In column I, write date without quotes. In column J, write narration without quotes. In column K, write DR account without quotes. In column L, write DR amount without quotes. In column M, write CR account without quotes. In column N, write CR amount without quotes. Step 2. Updating formula in Tally data field. After understanding the bank statement fields and defining Tally data field, we will need to update formula in Tally data field. In cell G1, write name of bank account as entered in Tally. In this example, HDFC Bank Limited. From cell G2 till last row, we need to write name of ledgers like customer, supplier, cash, etc. In cell H2, write formula equals if for D2 equals 0, is blank D2. D2 equals receipt, payment. In cell I2, write formula equals text A2, EIM'd. In cell J2, write formula equals P2 and D2. In cell K2, write formula equals if H2 equals receipt, $1 Guyanese dollar, G2. In cell L2, write formula equals roundabs D2 plus E2, 2. In cell M2, write formula equals if K2 equals $1 Guyanese dollar, G2, $1 Guyanese dollar. In cell N2, write formula equals L2. Step 3. Writing XMLs with tally data field formula. In cell O1, write below code. In cell R1, write below code. In cell O2, write below formula. In cell P2, write below formula. In cell Q2, write below formula. In cell R2, write below code. Step 4. Compiling, saving and importing XML. In cell S1, write formula. In cell S2, write formula. Select cell H2 till S4, that is up to last row of data. Press Ctrl+D. In cell S5, that is row below last row of data, write formula. Select cell S1 to S5 and copy. Ctrl+C. Open new notepad file. Paste XML data. Ctrl+V. Press Ctrl+S. Go to folder you want to save, D:\\. Select all files and save the file as sample.xml. Now open Tally Company. Make sure bank ledgers and party expenses ledgers are already created in Tally. Avoid using special characters. In upcoming videos we will discuss how to post data which has got special characters. Go to Gateway of Tally, import data, vouchers. Type the path and press enter. In no errors shown in calculator area means entry is posted. Click on the link in the description for steps, formula, code and sample file. Click on the link in the description for steps, formula, code and sample file. This was introductory video only. This video doesn't include how to deal with special character, bank reconciliation, GST, multiple debit credits, auto ledger creation, automatic XML posting, error tracing etc. These points will be covered in upcoming videos if we get required support from our respected viewers. So, I would request you to subscribe this channel and click on bell button for regular updates on new video uploads. Thank you.